Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be showing you how we prep our fresh seafood before we use it for any type of recipe. So we've already started with this before I thought I should share it with you guys. So here we've got the octopus. This is the octopus leg. The sellers already cut off the head and they've already cleaned it. And this is the squid, I guess. So this is the baby octopus. Like I said before, we've already started before I thought I should share it with you guys. So what we've done so far is that we've squeezed in one fresh lemon juice inside the bowl. Like we squeezed it on top of the fish and mixed it very well, and it has been sitting for 30 minutes now. So after 30 minutes we are going to now sprinkle some white vinegar on top of it, and then we add some water. Just rinse it properly. Actually my husband is the one doing the job. So here he's trying to show you how to remove this thing that looks like plastic in the squid. Like you will find this particular one in the squid. So that's what he's removing right now. And when you are washing this, make sure you wash it thoroughly. Like take your time to do this because the seafood has sand in it, so you don't want to bite into sand when you're eating it. So before we continue with the washing, we just want to start boiling our water. Just add a very good amount of water inside your saucepan, then cover the pot, and we are going to allow the water to come to a rolling boil before we start boiling the fresh seafood. So after cleaning and washing, he just added some salt, and now he will start running some water over it again, just making sure that he washes it properly. So right now the water has started boiling, and to that water he is adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now after adding the salt, he will start adding the seafood, starting with the octopus leg. So what he is doing here is he will just dip it inside the hot water and raise it up immediately. Dip it and raise it immediately. Like basically what he is trying to do is to separate the legs from sticking together. Like can you see how they are all sticked together? So the hot water will help to separate them before you now dip all the octopus inside the water, just like what he is doing here. So after adding that, he will now start adding the squid and the baby octopus. He's now mixing everything, and he's going to cover the pot and let it boil for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Make sure it's on a medium heat and then boil for 5 minutes. We are not trying to cook it through here. We are just trying to get rid of the smell from the fish and every other slimy substance sitting on the fish. So that's what we are trying to get rid of. So after boiling it for 5 minutes on a medium heat, he quickly ran cold water over it. That will prevent the fish from cooking further. So after running the cold water, he started cutting them immediately. Like you can cut it however you want. You can cut it either big or small. So right now he is cutting the octopus leg. He's cutting it into 3. You can cut it into 4. You can cut it into 2. Like you can cut it whichever size you want. And here is the baby octopus. This is the squid. So yeah, that's it guys. Right now he's mixing everything together to make sure they are all well mixed, and he is going to share them into two. We are going to use half to make pasta, and then we'll put the other half inside the freezer for when we want to use it for any other type of recipe. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, and stay tuned to see how he made a very tasty and delicious pasta with this fresh seafood.